The topic of today's discussion is oscillations, which plays a crucial role for the growth of the humankind. The term oscillation is used to explore the new adventures of science and technology, right from the home appliances to the space applications. In our washing machine, the drum makes uniform circular motion, which is oscillation. Similarly, the Earth's rotational motion is a beautiful example for the oscillation. Oscillation has the biggest role even in the smallest particle, say the nanoparticle. The outline of the talk is as follows. At first, we will discuss the prelude about the oscillation used in our daily life. Say for example, how oscillation is used in a bell to make a sound in Ayyanar and Karpasamy temples in villages. The objects or the items that are used or oscillated will be discussed here. Say for example, the baby cradle. We will discuss some of the technologies used or terminologies used in this lesson, like frequency, amplitude, and crest and trough, etc. Then the topic simple harmonic motion will be explained at length, taking into account the spring mass concept to derive the expressions for the equations of motion of the simple harmonic motion and for the total energy of the oscillators like mechanical accelerator and electrical oscillator. The damping is widely used technical word in sound engineering that will be demonstrated in the following sections. Every lecture will have its own style of assessment methods like quiz, tutorial, assignment, and face-to-face discussion, of course to some extent problem solving sessions. The video lecture on this oscillation lesson consists of 6 parts. Each part will be of 5 to 10 minutes duration. So this is Professor Walter Levin, MIT USA, who will explain the oscillation concept. He himself tied up in a rope and made it to motion is the periodic motion is the motion of the body repeated in equal intervals of time. Actually, just look at the picture that the cars are moving in with the equal intervals. Actually, periodic motion gives you harmonic wave in which the amplitudes and phases of the two or more waves are same. Actually, that means two or more waves are moving in the same direction, like the cars which are moving in the same direction actually. And the interval between the two cars is the same, of course, roughly. Therefore, this is called periodic and harmonic. And you take another example that the Vadivel is going to the actor, the comedy actor Vadivel is going to the hospital to measure his heart pulse, pulse rate, of course, right? For which the doctors will use the ECG. Then just look at the ECG chart that again the pulse rates or the ECG chart shows the periodic motion, but the amplitude and the phase difference or the phases of the waves are not equal. Therefore, though it produces periodic motion, ECG produces periodic motion, but it is a non-harmonic because. And another example, you take say for example this one, the what is called the traffic signal again, signal where all of the moving cars are jammed at a particular signal. That means motion of the particle is not uniform here. Our brain activity is an excellent example for the non-periodic wave motion. When you hear a happy news, whenever you hear a happy news, for example, you got selected in the recently conducted IAS examination, your brain wave will be suited to higher level. On the other hand, if your partner is highly unhappy with your performance in the house cleaning and keeping, you'll be down, which reflects in your brain wave chart, which shows that you are sad or distressed. Another excellent example for the causes of oscillation is that the one side of the towel. That means the periodic motion is in the kottu or the towel in which the ends are rigid and will produce a sound, yes, rigid. When you pass the sound wave from one side of the towel, after reaching the other end, the sound will come back to the origin. Here, the wave motion is uniform, resulting in the formation of periodic motion, where the equally spaced nodes and antinodes are produced. Perfect. Now I request all the students to try some of the problems that you can try all these problems to solve. Say, for example, the air ticket glider is attached to a spring, pulled 20 centimeters right and released at t is equal to 0 second. It makes 15 oscillation in 10 seconds. Of course, very simple problem, straightforward. Of course, one has to use the 4 constant value. And look at another problem, that they calculate the oscillation period for the broadcast of what is coming song for 93 megawatts of the Madurai Radio City Mirchi. Actually, we can very simple and straightforward problem. Okay, this is a solution. Maybe you can try the solution problem maybe in your home, and yeah, and this is fine. This is quiz again, the homework. Maybe
பாசங்கள் நேசங்கள் ஏதுமே இன்றி வாழ்ந்திடும் வாழ்க்கையோ வாழ்க்கை இல்லை. பிரிந்தே நாம் வாழ்கின்ற போதிலும் நினைவுகள் நம்மை சேர்த்திடுமே. அழகாய் பூ பூத்திட வேண்டிய வேர்கள் நீர் ஈர்த்திடுமே.
this is Jallikattu, and yeah, just this is one example. And third example for homework or quiz is, this is a beautiful sound. Listen to my dear students. Listen to this sound. And next says, very interesting traditional stone Ural Ulakai, where just look at the rhythmic the grinding of the rice particles. Actually, they're making some owl actually. So in all this example, say identify the periodic and non-periodic motions of the bull movements, of course the Jallikattu Kalai, and the musical sound. Of course, various instruments, basically musical instruments are used in producing the musical sound. And the third diagram is the bird's mouth movement, and of course you can observe it, and you can classify which one produces periodic sound or periodic motion. And of course the third one is your traditional stone mill. Traditional milling, actually very simple. Ural Ulakan சொல்லுவாங்க, கிராமங்கள்ல அதை அடிச்சிட்டு இருப்பாங்க, அரிசி அதிர்சத்துக்கு மாவு அடிப்பாங்க. So Ural Ulakai, of course basically this is a traditional stone mill. And if possible, draw their wave diagrams. And finally you have to write, observe all this the effects, and try to write a report with the help of the wave diagrams. That's fine. Perfect. Okay. And to summarize what we discussed so far is that I can say physics is fun. Yeah, it is true that it is fun. You have to, you should enjoy learning physics actually. And of course, this is a level subject to enjoy and entertain both your family and friends. And I can say that physics is the engineering. Okay, right. So far we have discussed some of the practical examples of oscillations. We have discussed the definitions of frequency, time period, angular frequency, and so on. We have discussed with the help of some examples of how the periodic motion in traffic signal is used, how the periodic same non-periodic movements, how the non-periodic movements are measured at the heavy traffic places, and some of the problems that that you have to solve it as a homework, some of the problems and quizzes. Okay. So good luck. The next class will discuss simple harmonic motion. If time permits, please go through what is a simple harmonic motion. We will discuss it in the next class. Thank you. Bye. Good luck.